Good morning to everyone. My name is B. Ravi Babu and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to discuss about rectifier. Okay, so what is rectifier? Rectifier is a circuit which converts AC signal into pulsating DC signal. Okay, so that's the definition of the rectifier. Now before going to discuss about rectifier, so what's the need of rectifier in our society generally? So as you know, in our homes which used different electronic gadgets. Is it clear? We are using home appliances like TV, refrigerator, washing machine, except AC and all. Okay, but what's the need of in this rectifier in the sense? For example, let me take a TV channel, TV. Okay, so nowadays we are using and before olden days might be used in CRT. In that CRT, which is require electrical supply, then only you can able to run the channel. Okay, so in that case, sometimes there is a rainy season, raining. So at the time rain is there means definitely there is some fluctuations. Due to some fluctuations, the sudden high voltage will comes. At that time, what will happen? Directly the TV channel directly connected to the supply voltage. Okay, at that time, there is a possibility of fluctuations. Suddenly, that TV becomes damages. Okay, suddenly it will get damaged. So due to some fluctuations will happen. But I need to protect my TV even there is a rainy, which means the fluctuations also will happen. I need to protect my TV. What will do? Even similarly, in same fluctuations, even TV will affected and refrigerator will affected and washing machine also will affected. But I need to protect all those things. Why? Because there is a cost is more. When you are going to purchase a TV, you have to focus on cost also. Okay, we are putting up that much of cost in the sense we must protect the all those things. What will do? So I need to use some sufficient manner. That is what stabilizer. Fuse stabilizer, that electrical supply given to the stabilizer, through the stabilizer which is given to the different electronic equipments. I mean TV, refrigerator, AC, anything, etc. Okay, so between electrical supply, switchboard and then TV, in between there is a protection of what? Stabilizer. Okay, so stabilizer, what is happening with stabilizer? To convert AC to DC. So stabilizer which is converted to AC to DC. If supply the voltage passes to AC to DC, all the electronic components, electronic devices which is passing the DC voltage, then whatever will happen in the fluctuations, it never damages our TV as well as refrigerator, anything. Okay, which is protected by the stabilizer. That's the function of in this concept today. Okay, so what is stabilizer in the sense? There is a using rectifier. Okay, in this rectifier we are going to see types of rectifiers. Basically, the 4 stages are required to convert AC to DC generally. Okay, let's see now. First one is what? Transformer, and then second one is rectifier, and third one is filter, and fourth one is voltage regulator. Is it clear? Now, generally in our homes we are getting signal and we are getting supply voltage. How much? In transformer, every villages are having substations, and substation which is passing to the voltage to the individual transformers. In transformer, how much voltage will getting from base station? Around 11 kV. Is it clear? Now from 11 kV to passing the supply voltage to the each home around 230 AC supply voltage. Okay, from the transformer each home passing supply voltage around 230 AC voltage. Okay, here also similarly we are giving 230 AC supply voltage as we given as input. Okay, and then along with 50 Hz. In our India, see, not only we are using in same frequency in different locations, in different countries. In our country, which is used around 50 Hz frequency as it given as input, whereas in abroad countries, okay, then we given as 60. Then we given as 60 Hz. Okay, but in our, you must remember, in our country might be used in 50 Hz. Okay, and the input signal is what? 230 AC voltage. So this is my input signal. Okay, now this input is given to the transformer. Okay, now I need to convert one voltage to another voltage. Why? Because of I am using a TV. In TV, how much voltage need to pass? Around 5 voltage, for example. In my supply goes to the TV itself around switchboard is getting from how much? 230 AC voltage. But I need to supply the voltage to the TV itself TV requires only 5 voltage. Then what you will do? I cannot give 230 AC voltage directly to the TV channel. If you passing same voltage to the TV, definitely there is it doesn't control that much. Okay, so that I need some protection. I need to control the voltage. That's why we have taken these kind of things. Okay, so that's why in transformer we need to use what kind of transformer here? We have different types of transformers. Auto transformer is there, pulse transformer is there, step down transformer is there, step up transformer is there. But most probably in electrical which is used step up and step down. Is it clear? Now in this case we are using diode. It is rectifier which is used as a diode. So diode conducts. Diode it's getting only low voltage. It is capable of only low voltage. That's why I may use here step down transformer. Is it clear? The capable of this diode how much? Only low voltage. But here I am getting how much voltage? 230 AC voltage. Is it clear? So that I am using here step down transformer. Now what's the function of step down transformer? To convert high voltage into low voltage. Is it clear? Now then that signal given to the in this as input as a rectifier. Now this rectifier is a function of what? To convert AC to DC. How do you convert AC to DC? Which is used as a diode. As you know the diode, what's the function of diode? It conducts only forward bias. It does not conduct reverse bias. Is it clear? So that is in this diode. So this is the function of rectifier which converts AC to DC. Now this is my AC signal. Now under the condition of diode which is converted DC. So here forward bias it conducts and then reverse bias it does not conduct. Do you understand what I am saying? The function of diode it conducts forward bias. It does not conduct reverse bias. But as my input is what? It conducts forward bias. Generally it given as reverse bias. Due to this reverse bias condition, that is what leakage current. Due to leakage current, the way given as like this. But here it conducts only forward bias. It does not conduct reverse bias. So that is forward bias, reverse bias. Okay. Now this is my signal. After completion of rectification, then I may appear this kind of wave. But I don't want this kind of signal. Why? Because I must need a DC. But here there is a sim. There is some pulse are there. That is called which converts AC signal into pulsating DC signal. This is what pulsating DC signal. Okay, but I am not sufficient this kind of output. What to do now? Because my output is what DC, but here still I don't get DC signal. I got only pulsating. Then what we do? I must use a filter. A filter which is used a component what? This filter which is used a component capacitor. Which is used as a capacitor. With the help of capacitor, I may reduce these ripples. Okay. After filtering the capacitor, I may getting this kind of wave. This kind of wave. Still some ripples are there. Some ripple components are there. Still not yet completed of the DC signal. Some ripple after completion of after filtering also, I am getting some ripples are there. What is the function of filter? It reduces the unwanted AC ripples. Filter is nothing but to reduce the unwanted AC signal. To unwanted AC signal. Then after filtering, then I am getting this kind of ripples. Then I need to maintain straighter wave, straighter signal. Then what will do? I need to use voltage regulator. Up to this level is enough, but I need to maintain constant voltage in the output. The output we may consider as TV or else refrigerator or else AC or else washing machine. I need to maintain constant voltage. I don't want fluctuations. That's why I need constant voltage. That's why I may go for voltage regulator. What is voltage regulator? It maintains constant output voltage. What is my input here? How much voltage I am getting here? For example, 25 voltage. I am getting 25 voltage. But I need constant. Some fluctuations happen. 25, 24, 25, 25 like this. like that. But I don't want that much. I need constant. That's why I may go for voltage regulator. It regulates the output voltage. That is finally I am getting 20 DC voltage. Finally I am getting 20 DC voltage to the my output. Is it clear? So that is the function of this rectifier. So this total completion of this block diagram is called as also voltage regulator. Is it clear? So this is a complete picture. Based on this picture only, our homes, which is used as different applications like TV, refrigerator. Already told you that these are the applications which is used to protect our devices. We may go for stabilizer. Even I don't want a stabilizer in the sense you can connect, you can get signal from the supply, directly supply to your devices. But there is a rainy season, fluctuations, definitely our devices should be affected without stabilizer. So I need to protect our devices in the sense I may go for this kind of applications. Okay, that is what stabilizer. If you stabilizer, your home alliance always should be safety manner. That's why this is very important and most popular used in the not only in India, across the world. Is it clear? So this is the very important concept. If you understand this concept, and next class we are going to discuss about the types of rectifiers. First one is half wave rectifier and second one full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, one more type is there, bridge rectifier. Okay. So half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier. In next class we will discuss about these three topics. Okay. Thank you. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept today, please give me reply to the comment box. Thank you.